Good morning Year 4, it's Mrs Dunn here with your maths lesson for today. This is our problem solving lesson and it's the 12th of February. This is our final lesson before our half-term break. So on the screen I've got some super shapes for you. I have got a green triangle that is worth 7 and I've got an orange rectangle which is worth 17. Every time you see a green triangle today, it's going to be worth 7, and every time you see a orange rectangle, it's going to be worth 17. So in this pattern here, I'm going to work out the value that is shown. So my green triangle, remember, is worth 7, and my orange rectangle is worth 17. So to work out the value of the pattern, I've got to do 7 add 17. And the answer is 24. I will upload 100 square for you so that you can use that if you need to for your addition. Okay, so today is all about working out the value of the pattern shown. Okay, so let's have a look at another one. Remember, the green triangle doesn't change and neither does the rectangle. So this green triangle will be worth 7 and so will this one. The orange rectangle is still worth 17. So the total of the pattern shown is 7 add 17 add 7. And today you're going to be using your mathematical knowledge to work out the most efficient way to add those numbers together. So I'm going to do my 7 add 7, which is 14, and add that to my 17. Remember, addition can be done in any order. So to add my 14 and 17 together, I'm going to do 4 add 7 is 11, 10 add 10 is 20, so my total is 31. So the total of this shape pattern is 31. Now, if you see a red shape in a sequence today, we need to work out the value of the red shape. And in each question, the value of the red shape will change. So, on the board here, we've got the green triangle, which we know is 7, the orange rectangle, which we know is 17, and altogether, the pattern equals 30. So we've got to work out, using the information we know, what this missing value is. So my 7 add 17, I know, equals 24. And then we've got to work out how many more to get to 30, because that's the total of my pattern. So thinking about my number bonds to 10, I know that 4 add 6 equals 10, so 24 add 6 will equal 30. So the value of my red circle equals 6. Got another pattern now. I've got a red shape. I don't know the value, but I do know that my green triangle is 7 and my orange rectangle is 17. So again, we're going to use what we know to help us to work out the value of that semicircle. So 7 add 17, remember, gives me 24. And then I've got to work out the difference between 24 and 39. Now I'm going to go to the next 10, which is 30, and then I'm going to go to 39 to help me. It just helps my brain a little bit to work it out. So to get to 30, I add 6, and from 30 to 39, I add 9. So the missing value is 9 add 6, which is 15. Okay, so in this question, the red semicircle was worth 15. So you've got your own questions to have a go at. Remember, the green triangle is always worth 7. and the rectangle is worth 17. So in each of these questions, that information doesn't change. What does change is the value of the red shape. These two pentagons here will have the same value as each other. These three triangles here will have the same value. Pause the video, see if you can work out the value of each shape. There is also a scaffold uploaded into Teams where I've just changed the values a little bit to make it a little bit easier for the addition to happen. So if you want to have a go at that first, then you can. Pause the video and come back to me when you are ready. Okay, so let's have a look at the solutions. So remember, green triangle is always 7, orange rectangle is always 17. So in the first one, we've got 7 and 17, which gives us 24, and then we're going to 25, so the difference there is 1. Number 2, this circle here is worth 20. The hexagons are each worth 44. And then at the bottom, this one was a little bit different. We had to do some division for this one. So we had 3 red triangles, and they each have a total which when added together gives us 48, and the answer is 16. So each red triangle is worth 16. Hope you enjoyed working out the value of each question, and have a lovely half term. I will see you on the Monday for our first maths lesson after the holiday. Take care, Year 4. Bye.